Hello, what's up guys? Here your girl Grace Girl Mission. To my returning subscribers, I salute you all from outside there. And if this is your first time, you consider subscribing. Support your girl talking live from the village. And this is how the village looks actually. I have a hole here, and these are things. You see, when they are young like this, we need to just weed them so that the weeds don't take all the fertilizer. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let's continue moving until the end. I know you have amazing friends. Just comment, share my videos. That's a better way. So guys, you don't need very special. You don't need to do the hole like this. You only need to do like this. And because of these sharp sticks from the tea leaves, that's why I am wearing the boots, so that they can protect me from being hurt. Like so, this one here has finished like since we had cut it. It has finished like 2 months, and you see it is like now this one we had plucked it 2 days ago. Now we are waiting 7 days, and then we do it again. So this is the village actually. So guys, we usually, it is being given from the rules of tea leaves. You have to pluck it after 7 days. You do it 7 days. That means that you should do it like every week. Drop a comment if that's how you do it at your farm, like. But this is the biggest farms are at Nandi. Those people are from Nandi there. That's where you cannot find big plantations. Those people who know Nandi, it's just near here. You can bowl with 300 shillings and you reach there to see big plantations. As we are limited farmers doing, this is how it is. We do mixed farming because our farm is not that big. That's why you can see some bananas like this one here. Some bananas over there. Like people have mixed some farming here and there. And the trees, you can see them at the side, like. So this is a small farm for the small farmers, so that you don't feel hungry. You get the small things from here, cash crop and other small things, like, yeah. So guys, continue supporting me. I'm really trying from here to here. That's why you see me uploading every day, like a video, like. So this is it. I hope you may enjoy and continue enjoying my videos from here at the village. So guys, here we are again. Actually, I was weeding here from that side up to here, like, and and it's too hot, like being at the garden. The time now is like midday, and at midday the sun is over here, and it is very much hot. So when you are going home, it's like you have to pick a little bit of firewood, and then you should go with it home, so that in some time you don't get started. You're starting from zero, right? Yeah. So this is the firewood here. I'm gonna carry them home, like, and that is my my whole jembe. We call it jembe. We call it jembe here. That's our Kiswahili language, our national language that we usually use here at here in Kenya here, like, and Tanzania, but ours is broken Kiswahili, like. Yeah. So this is the lovely of the village. As you can see, there's somebody running down there, like going to the side. So actually over there, you may see that there is this high there, but when you reach there, it's not like that. Yeah. Like I'm like tired. Like at least the 5 of the time I'm going to use, maybe when I'm going to prepare something to eat for lunch, like, or for dinner. And this is how usually a long time ago people use. If you have gone to the garden, you have to look some firewood. If you see any firewood, you have to carry it home, like the one I've did here. So I have to put it in. So guys, I have to go home. Like, I have to go home. So drop us a comment if this is how you do it at your village. At your village, like, yeah. Thank you so much. Continue watching until the end. If you have not subscribed, please go do it. It's more people watch you and they don't subscribe. Please do it for me. Do me a favor for that, yeah. So guys, this is the village. If you are going to visit me, remember you are going to come to the garden. Also, you are going to fetch some firewood. Hello, welcome again. So this is the village, and here I have corn. Usually corn here in the village, it is this size. We don't have big, like, actually it's harvest time, and I'm going to boil this, like, it's not that good. Drop a comment if you harvested this yellow here, yellow maize. So I have to put them in a sufuria, and usually our sufuria is black. Inside is green, but outside is black. Because why? Because we use firewood here in the village. And when you leave it like this, it remains strong. 3 years, 4 years, 10 years. Yes, sufuria is strong ever. It is strong when it is black, clean inside. Because of firewood, that's how you see it like this. So I am going to do, like, I'm going to remove the leaves, and then I wanna cook the maize corn. Here we call them maize. Outside there they call it corn. Yeah. So guys, here it is. It's very sweet. But there are people outside there who eat when it is low. But I don't think whether they eat it when it is ready like this. Maybe those low ones, like. Hello. Ask me why I'm cutting it. So that when I put salt, itaiva haraka. Itaiva haraka. See now, these are they animals who eat like this? What are these? Doodles. These are doodles. So this one here, I have to remove the bad one. and then we shall cook it. Here in the village, we don't throw it away unless we eat the doodoo. There are other people out there who eat doodoo. Yeah, that is it. So guys, here they are ready. Now, if they are ready, I have to do what? I have to add. This is salt here. This is salt. I have to add some salt. And then I'll add the water. My stove is here. I told you we put water. This is much I put because it is they are like hard. That's why I put a lot of water inside. After that, we shall cover with the leaves of the maize. These are only the leaves of the maize, and then tutaanza kupika upishi bora kutoka ushago. Yeah, still we covered. Drop a comment if this is your village. This is also my village. You comment if it's all the same, or what do you think about what I'm doing here? Is it embracing you? If it is, just click that like button, subscribe, just a comment. Drop a sweet comment if this is how you cook. This is my village, so enjoy the videos. Yeah, I'm talking live from my late parents' home here. Tuanze haraka tusimalishe muda. So guys, we have to wait it to get ready, and we are good. So the reason why I had put the stone over here, come show them, the stone up here, it's just to so that it will make the lid to be strong, so that it don't start moving while it is boiling. The moisture content should remain inside. So that's why I have put the stone on top. So drop a comment if you usually do like that at your village. Maybe when you are cooking, this is the outdoor cooking like. So usually when I cook outside there, I usually remember where I come from. Using firewood also tells you where you have come from, like, and where you are heading to. Maybe progress and new progress. Like maybe you will think of maybe buying a cooker. That's why like. But you will not forget cooking with firewood. Yeah, drop a comment if this is how your village is actually, and maybe you can tell me what I gonna do, because when you are outside there, you're gonna say, Crazy, this is not good there. Dropping comments, good comments, and then tell me what I'm supposed to do. Maybe there are other things that are not making you happy. Maybe you can tell me, Grace, this one here, you are supposed to put this and this. That's a better way of supporting me also. And I really appreciate the love that you are continuing showing me. So I love you all. Continue watching, enjoying this video until the end, so that we're gonna move together. Always. Your strength is my strength for me at the village. Wow. So guys, actually according to the village, this is our compound, and mostly I'm like now used to cooking there. Cooking there also, and let me show you. This is where we hang our clothes when we have washed them. This is where we hang them. Also, there's another wire here. You can see. Usually show you where we do hang our clothes. Also, if you want, you can put them here, like on this field here. Also, you can lay the clothes here, and they're gonna get dry, like. And also, let me give a shout out to my sister there. Hello.
Hello.
What are you doing?
I was washing clothes.
Uh-huh.
I'm done. I'm just washing my legs, my feet. Yeah.
Your legs, your feet.
Yeah.
What's your name?
My name is Maria,
Mhm.
Lydia Maria.
What do you think about my channel? Like,
Channel, tell the subscribers to continue subscribing and liking
mhm,
and share the videos.
mhm.
Yeah.
Thank you. So, subscribe to who?
Grace.
Grace Carey Mission. Thank you so much. Actually, hope you enjoyed the video. So we're gonna go and see whether the maize is ready. Yeah. Now they are clean. Now I have to put them on because my legs are not that dirty. And also rinse my legs. Ah, this is the village. We don't know need the bathrooms here. And then we wash this in here.